In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PNG frame from Magnific AI Desktop. To get started, open the Magnific app on your desktop. From the left-hand sidebar, choose Image Generator. This is where we'll combine your design assets with AI. Before we bring in the frame, pick the model you want to use. Different models can influence style and how faithfully graphics are respected, so go with one that suits your project and tends to preserve sharp edges and text. Next, open the References section. References let you guide the generator with images you supply perfect for a PNG frame with transparency. Click Add to begin attaching your frame. Choose Upload Media, locate your PNG on your computer, and select it. For best results, use a high-resolution PNG with a transparent background. This ensures the AI understands the frame's borders without filling them in. After it appears in your library, click Add to place it into the active reference tray. Now, craft your prompt. Describe the subject you want inside the frame and any style cues, colors, or lighting. For example, specify the scene, the mood, and the level of detail, and mention that the content should sit naturally within the frame area. Clear, concise direction helps the model compose around your PNG rather than competing with it. Choose how many results you want. More variations give you options, though they may take a bit longer to generate. Then select a layout. Match the aspect ratio to your intended output square for social posts, vertical for stories, or horizontal for banners so the frame doesn't stretch or crop awkwardly. When everything looks set, click Generate. Magnific will produce your images using the chosen model, your prompt, and your PNG reference. Review the results to confirm the frame's edges are clean and the subject fits comfortably inside. If something feels off, you can refine the prompt, adjust the model, or swap in a crisper PNG and generate again. And that's the process for adding a PNG frame in Magnific on desktop.